नमस्ते, वेलकम बैक टू ध्रुविश चैनल। मैं हूँ इंडिया में। ये है गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया।
मेरे प्रीवियस पेरिस व्लॉग्स में आप लोगों ने ढेर सारा प्यार दिखाया। आपके इतने सारे डीएम्स और प्यार की वजह से डैन फ्लू ऑल द वे फ्रॉम वियना टू मुंबई। But before that you have gone to Mumbai.
So first we'll do Mumbai.
I'm in Mumbai. So मैं आ गई डैन के होटल के नीचे and I'm just waiting for him. Look who's here.
Hi guys.
Love it.
You look so nice. I like your outfit.
Thank you.
Wow, I'm so happy to be in Mumbai.
I can't believe you came to Mumbai finally.
Of course I came to Mumbai. Didn't I promise you? I made a promise. So if I make a promise, I'm gonna keep my promise. Yeah. So what do we have planned?
मेरा प्लान ये है कि I'm gonna make him eat Indian food.
Yes.
Make you eat some chaat maybe.
Chaat.
Chaat. It's called chaat.
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 Chaata.
Chaat.
बैठो रिक्शा में.
This is very different than anything we have in Europe.
Really?
Yeah.
You will hear a lot of honks. How is the experience?
It's crazy. I've never experienced something like this. Oh
Yeah,
my
and you
God.
will have a lot of bumps also.
Yeah, you have the bumps. Wait, you have to hold here? You have to hold. Yeah.
How to say rickshaw? Chalo.
Rickshaw. Chalo, rickshaw.
How to say take right?
Oh, right, Selena.
Yes.
Left, Selena.
Yes.
Straight.
Straight. सीधा लेना.
सीधा लेना. हाँ.
ठीक है.
भाई आपका नॉलेज तो कमाल का है भाई.
हम पानी पूरी स्टॉल के एग्जैक्ट
We're
सामने.
gonna try the pani puri.
I'm gonna make him try पानी पूरी. So we say गोलगप्पे.
Golgappe.
गोलगप्पे. उनको कम तीखा डालना.
लगे.
Is it too spicy? It's okay. It is spicy.
It's spicy, yeah. But I didn't know it's gonna be so watery.
थोड़ा कम spicy बनाओ. Like out of 10, I'm gonna make him rate
I would say this is a 9. The
9.
pani puri is very good.
What are you having?
Sukha puri. This is different.
Yeah,
So this is without the liquid inside. I can't believe I'm actually in Mumbai right now. This is surreal. This is so nice. This is. Am I in Mumbai right now or am I in New York? I don't even know.
We say Mumbai Meri Jaan.
Mumbai. Oh, I have to do this. Mumbai Meri Jaan.
Paris से direct हम आए मुंबई.
I know.
We were sitting in front of the Eiffel Tower. Now we are sitting in front of ceiling. Look at the progress, guys.
So where is our next destination? We just keep going around the world, or that would be nice, huh?
Travel
We just go
buddies.
next destination. We'll do New York. We'll do Los Angeles.
दुनिया का कोना कोना देखना चाहता हूँ लेकिन तेरा हाथ पकड़ कर.
Yeah, because of you people, he actually came. So you have
That's
to
fine.
subscribe.
Yeah.
Go and follow him. Tell him to meet me again. Make it a series.
अब कन्विंस हो गए या मैं और बोलूं?
I'll wear like maybe anarkali or suit.
Honestly, everything would look amazing on you. Doesn't matter.
Stop
So
it.
we'll match anyway, you know, regardless. Matching, always matching. So.
तू और मैं रॉक कर देंगे बता रहा हूँ.
Look at the lights behind and also this is Bandra
It's very
Reclamation.
nice. This feels very Christmassy.
है ना?
Yeah.
But I'm sure it's not as Christmassy as Vienna, obviously.
Yeah, Vienna is going crazy when it's you know this holiday season.
Yeah.
अब दोस्ती यारी में तो ऐसे चलते रहते.
What is called masala chai?
Masala chai, yeah.
I know everything, man.
Or welcome to Mumbai.
Wait.
You are now a Mumbaikar.
A Mumbai car.
Yes.
What is that?
It means people living in Mumbai.
What does that mean?
हाथ क्यों पकड़ा?
Mumbai is a city that never sleeps and at night it looks beyond beautiful. जैसे कि डैन ने कहा, पता ही नहीं चलता हम न्यूयॉर्क में हैं या मुंबई में.
I'm in Mumbai. There's the Indian flag right there. Look, I'm so proud. Finally,
Oh, wow.
finally, I'm home. back to my roots. I feel like I'm Indian already. I'm wearing the kurta. This is my home, man. I need to buy a house here.
मालूम है भारत की आबादी कितनी है? सब लोग यहाँ आ गए तो हम लोग कहाँ सोएंगे?
Namaste, Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Finally, I have got Dan
Yes.
to India.
Yes,
to
finally.
Mumbai.
After so long. It's been, what, 2 months?
You are at the famous place
Yes.
in Mumbai. That is Gateway of India. And in your Indian attire, which I
Yeah.
actually promised the
I
Indian
know,
audience.
it's crazy. Look at me. Okay, next time when I come to Mumbai, I'm gonna dress full Indian. So nice.
He
Huh?
is looking more Indian
I'm
than
looking
any
more Indian than everybody here, you know.
लड़कियां मरती है मुझ पे.
But how did you find the Gateway of India? Do you like it?
So it's amazing. It looks a bit like Arc de Triomphe, you know.
Yeah.
It's like a small version of it, but it's really nice. I like the architecture.
So Taj Palace is just opposite. That's
Like
the Taj Palace. That's the oldest building
It's the oldest one.
in Mumbai.
Oh
yeah.
my god.
And we are going to go
Insane.
inside that.
We're gonna go inside. Okay.
Yeah. The चाय यहाँ पर मैंने सुना है 2000 की चाय है. 23 euros.
Okay.
Chai.
This is too much. No, we're not going.
3-4 करोड़ जेब में दूं तेरे को.
I want to see everything. The food, the people,
Dresses.
you know, the dressing,
The
everything.
girls.
The girls. The only one, no?
जीऊंगा तो तेरे साथ, मरूंगा तो तेरे हाथ.
But I'm so glad that because of you people, he actually flew all
Because
the
of
way.
you people. Because of you.
You.
Not me or her, because of you.
Flew all the way from Vienna, and we Indians welcome you with open heart.
Thank you so much. Namaste.
And make him get a good Indian bride. Dulhan. We say
Dulhan.
dulhan. Like we do like this.
Oh, wow.
This is dulhan.
It's so nice. You can see the gateway of India behind us. I'm in India. Oh my god.
Oh, Dan has learned a Hindi song.
Yes.
So he's
Bole
gonna sing.
churiya, bole kangana. Hi, मैं हो गई मेरी संजना. Like ja, Sonia like ja.
Good.
दिल में तुमको चुरिया है. तुम्हें इसको सुनो ना.
I can't believe you know this
दिल
song.
मेरा
तुमसे कुछ कह रहा है.
सुनो ना.
Do you know what does that mean?
What does that
is it?
mean?
Like my heart is saying something. Please listen to it.
Heart, Dhruvi, my heart's going crazy for you.
प्यार भी बहुत प्यारा होता है.
Sonikudi.
Sonikudi.
Very Sonikudi.
I met few of my subscribers. You guys are the sweetest. आप लोग जब भी मुझे मिलते हो मुझे एक सेलिब्रिटी जैसी फीलिंग आती है. I love you guys so much.
ये तो पूरी इंडिया में वर्ल्ड फेमस है. कौन है?
Where are we going?
We are going to the Taj Mahal Palace.
We are going from the passage and look.
It's all very, very fancy. Oh, look, they have jewelry and everything
We
inside.
have
You can buy
jewelry.
things here.
Yes.
Oh,
They have
wow.
stores inside. Look.
What's this?
That's Ganesh.
That's Ganesh.
Yes.
This is Ganesh, guys. You didn't know. ठीक है?
ताज पैलेस एंटर करते ही हमको ऐसी रईसों जैसी फीलिंग आने लगी. Wow. Seems like you're in Titanic already.
Wow! Oh my God!
In this ballroom kind of a thing, and यहाँ से आप पूरा गेटवे देख सकते हो.
This is such a nice view, and you can actually see like the history of the building and everything
Yeah.
inside. They have like pictures and all this, you know,
Yeah.
like people are doing tours, you know, which is not something you see in a hotel every day. An icon, a palace, a hotel. This is Dhruvi. An icon.
हुआ क्या डायलॉग मारा है?
Dan is going to make me buy some jhumkas.
Yes. Which I like for you.
Yeah.
I don't know.
मैं क्या बताऊं?
Oh, this ones.
That's
Oh,
also
this
very
ones. No, this ones. This one. Maybe this one.
good. How much for
This one.
everything?
Everything.
भाई पैसा हो तो क्या कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
ये कितने का है भैया? You ask him.
ये
मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे
Yes, he got me a jhumka. Also, he did his first bargaining ever.
350. For this 350.
No, brother, come on. You get this for 50. Come on, I know you get this for
400.
400 for both.
450.
Ticket.
Okay,
400. 400. Come on, 400.
Okay, take.
I give you 400.
कितने टैलेंटेड हैं
So proud of you. अब तक तो डैन बहुत प्रो हो गया था. He was actually conversing with the shopkeepers. Colaba Causeway में हमेशा इतनी भीड़ होती है कि चलने की भी जगह नहीं है.
You want the whole Mumbai jewelry? I can buy it for you if you want. What else do you want?
This is so nice. Yeah. Of course, we had to go here.
I'm making Dan fry chicken tandoori.
You can just eat with your hand. It's no problem. It tastes better, huh?
My hands.
Okay, man. This is.
It's not
I
spicy.
swear, this is not spicy at all. No. Oh my God. Okay, man. Nothing compares to Indian food.
How much will you rate the tandoori?
10.
10. And the
This is
mango
10.
lassi
And the mango lassi is a 10. So 10, 10.
for Dan, and it's written G Ayanu in Punjabi, and it has a taxi. And behind also it's written in Punjabi.
At night we went to the famous opera house. हमने यहाँ एक candlelight show attend किया. ये मेरा first opera show था, and ये किसी फिल्म से कम नहीं लग रहा था.
It was
Very nice.
तो हम front row में नहीं थे, we could still see the whole stage was lit up with candles, with the pianist in between.
I literally didn't know
Yeah,
half of the
sure.
songs, but एक ही गाना था We will.
Yeah, I mean everybody knows we will rock you. So far the trip has been amazing. It's been very
So
good.
glad to know.
Gonna say it again, I love my subscribers.
The crowd here,
Yeah.
and it's
Oh, you have some lipstick here. Wait.
okay. Show the Indian flag. There,
Right
this
there.
side. No, it's
What?
a video.
Oh, it's a video. Guys, this is so beautiful. Welcome back to Dhruvi's channel. मैं हूँ.
Again.
मैं तुम्हार दूंगी.